All right, boys and girls. So this is a rectangle. And to find the area, meaning the space that fills up the inside, you would have to count the squares. So if this one has a length of 6 and maybe a height of 2, that's like a shortcut way to figure out the area is 12 square units because I can multiply and see all the squares filled in. Okay, perfect. Then you may very well also have a triangle. So if I start here and go here to here to here, that is indeed a triangle. Now, if I counted the squares, it gets tricky because there's pieces, and I can't really assume that the piece is half or 1/4 or whatever, but I do recognize that this triangle represents half of a rectangle. So I could look at this triangle. It has a base of 3, a height of 4. Now, some of you are saying, well, that means it's got an area of 12 square units because 4 times 3 is 12. But the triangle only fills in half of those squares: 1, 2, almost 3, 4, almost 5. So it makes sense that you would take 12 divided by 2 and get 6. The problem is some of you guys are not using sense making when it comes to compound shapes. So let me build one more shape down here. Select all vertices, then first vertex again. So boom, 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 boom. Now this shape is neither a rectangle or a triangle, but it's like two shapes put together. I could break it up right here and see a small triangle and a bigger rectangle. This bigger rectangle has 8 square units, which matches up with the fact that it's got a base of 4 and a height of 2, and the area of that part is 4 times 2, which is 8 square units. But this triangle here is only, well, it's got a base of 1, right, because this is a right angle, and it's got a height of 2. So 2 times 1 is 2. So you might say, well, that triangle has an area of 2 square units, but it doesn't because it only has half of 2. So 2 divided by 1, which equals 1. So the entire area of this compound shape is 8 square units plus 1 square unit. Some of you guys are just randomly cutting areas in half for no reason, or you're taking shortcuts and you're not really looking at rectangles versus triangles. So please focus hard on this test. It's going to be hard, but you can do it.